Huh. What a lovely afternoon. What do I do today in here?
Hey, Titan Clockman.
Huh. Someone is calling me. I should check it out. Oh, hey Sonar Titan.
Hi, Titan Clockman.
Are you calling me?
Yes.
Okay. So, what do you want?
Are you free right now?
Yes, why?
Let's hang out with the others.
Okay, but where are the others?
They are waiting over there.
Alright, let's go.
Hi guys, look what I found.
Oh, it's you, Titan Clockman.
Yeah, I wasn't expecting you guys here.
Wait, where are the others?
Oh, you mean them? Meh, don't worry, they're at home right now. They gonna be fine.
Oh, okay then.
So, are you guys ready for hangout?
Yes.
All right then. Let's get moving.
Well, it was nice to hang out with you guys.
Yeah, that was so fun.
For real?
Yet we are hanging out until almost evening.
Well, I should going to go home.
Okay, you can hang out another time with the others.
Oh, well, I guess you're right. I should hang out with the others some other time.
Why are you so sad?
Well, it's a long story, but I can tell you guys. So, basically, we were reaction about something before, and they were roasted themselves, and I.
Whoa, wait. Did you say themselves? If you say so, who is it?
Titan cameraman and Titan speakerman.
Some things about them never change.
True, but anyways, they were fighting at home, and Titan TV man asked them to stop fighting.
What about Titan Drill Man?
Bruh, he's sleeping.
What in the actual
Hey,
Yeah, and my heart was just like, I'm tired of this shit. I'll just walking at the park. That's when Titan Drillman was going upstairs to sleep.
So that's the story.
Holy shit, we're sorry to hear it. But does anyone have any solution for them to stop fighting?
oh, I know. You must take them to the beach tomorrow.
Is that really worth it?
Oh, trust me. It's really worth it.
Oh, okay then. I will take your solution. Wait, it's almost 6 p.m. I should going home right now. Bye guys.
Bye.
Is it gonna be worth it?
It's gonna be worth it. Why are you guys so worried? I mean, what's the worst thing they could do?
Oh, really? Don't make me smack you down when Titan Clockman says that it's not so worth it.
Okay, fine. Jeez, don't be so worried, guys. Chill.